What do you think of that?
Nice.
Morning all. Got myself my rear leaf springs, and I'm going to reco them. Not that there's much to it, and I don't even think I'll bother pulling them apart. I think they're actually okay. Some people like to grease them, some people don't. I've got the there's little neoprene shims. I'll show them to you. So that goes there, and you'll see a little hump here, and here, and here. Well, they go in there. So you bend that out, put that in, and what I was taught, we always put a bit of, I think, white grease on them. And some people reckon use them dry, some people use them, they put the grease on them. And the reason for that is some people reckon that it just gets dust in it and ends up grinding paste. And I probably have to agree. But the fact is they're not expensive and they're easy to change. So, but you see these are completely, they're not even existing in there. There might be a little tiny button in there, but that's it. And, so they'll get the springs looking good. And I won't get them reset or anything. They don't, it's a ute, and if they've sagged a little bit, well, so be it. I'm okay with that. The utes, they sat very high in the rear, and we're not going to put much of a load in this baby anymore. And just, you know, if you want a workhorse, you go and get a tray back. This is a well, I guess it's a classic, isn't it? Anyway. I'm sorry if that time lapse is not really showing any detail, but you get the message. I'll show you up closer now. This is it after it's been sort of brought up. Well, this is what it does look like. Probably not very good. Yeah, well, it's all yucky and rusty. So that's before, and this is after. And perfect it's not, but pretty good it is. And I'll probably edge prime that, and then I'll spray a 2-pack over the top. I'll show you what it is in a second. I really like it. It's a 2-pack black, and it's a semi-gloss or a mattish, yeah, semi-gloss. But yeah, it looks like acrylic lacquer out of the gun like they used to do in the old days. So, so that's it. It's pretty nice. I'm not sure if my back can take me to do two at once. I'll show you this paint I was talking about. So it's that there, satin black, and it's made by ProTech, and it is 64 SBLK. You see it, 4 litres. That's what I get, and that's you can buy it, and it's great stuff, and it just comes up looking great for suspension and these underneath parts, and just like acrylic lacquer out of the gun, where it was sort of semi-gloss. If you sprayed it real thick and nice, it would come up a little shiny, but mostly pretty satin in general. And that's about the same, except it's better paint. And so that's enough of that. So anyway, so I'll probably do some edge priming on that, and then I'll do the other one, and then I'll put the things in. So I'm not going to put any grease in with this. I'm going to do it dry with the bushes and in here. So don't condemn me, because I think it was originally someone put this together with the grease in it. Every now and again I see just a bit of, it's like grease. Don't know what it is. It's more like tar. It could be where the body shots went a bit. I went a bit late with the body shots too, because that's what it really feels like. So, meaning underbody sealer, that's what the word. I always call it body shots, still talking. Anyway, too much talk, not enough action. I'll be back in a minute. thought I'd better show you this. You don't have to bend these right around. You just need to lift them a little bit, and then you get enough in there, and you've got enough room in there now. I've got to clean it to get that down in there, see? Then just pull the chisel out. It's quite easy to do. And everyone's bang, bang, bang. And I could almost show you in real time. And let's get a screwdriver, a scraper will do. Scrape some of that crap out of there. See, I bet you wish you could have a nice tidy toolbox like that. Yeah. This is never going to work. Alright, I'll put you under the tripod and see if I can get you to film it for a second. I like to wear my gloves because, I don't know, because my hands are so beautiful and soft. Normally, I would do this in a car. There it goes. That's one in. Double check the other side. Yep, perfect. Probably should have done it with a flat facing that way, but I didn't. I might fix it though. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can't see in there, but I can see in there. It's clear. I can't remember. I might have had a play around with this, a couple of these before. You probably can't see what I'm doing now, can you? You can't. That's bloody hopeless, isn't it? Okay, so that's in. That comes out. Oh, I did it again. Another one done. It's too fully good, man. I can film that one there. Like perfect. And that's what that's about. So that's it. I'm going to put you back on. Oh, I'm zoomed in. I'm going to put you back on time lapse, and you can watch the rest go in quickly. Okay, got to film this because Bazza has been into my workshop. Because remember when I sprayed the roof, I had my wax and grease remover sprayer. Well, it's gone. And I can't see it anywhere now. I might be blind in one eye and can't see out of the other. And no, that's not the right one. That's the one I bought and it doesn't work at all. Don't buy that brand. Right. Unless you're going to spray water out of it, that'll probably work all right. And the good one, which I got off a mate of mine, which I haven't even paid him for yet, it's coming. I just can't find it. I look everywhere. He's no go. He's gone. And I reckon Baz has been in here. And, I don't, got no idea. Found it. Here it is. A Warth. I think it is that how you pronounce it? Warth? I'm not sure how you pronounce it. A brake cleaner bottle. It's great anyway if that's the one you want to get. I found that I've been happy with that. And yeah, but I don't give them away. Anyway, I'll put you back on time lapse. I'm only going to clean it and spray it, so you can watch it at time lapse. Okay, this is the finished and springs, so they're done. They haven't got the second coat of actual paint on them yet. That's just edge primer, and so they're done anyway. And I'm not going to paint them and just those. I've got the banjo housing to do, which is over there, which needs a new pinion seal. Oh, I forgot. I don't know. Won't bother showing you. And I want to paint the underneath of that. Excuse me. As well, or at least in areas, but mostly probably all of it. So I might as well mix all the paint at once. Otherwise I have to clean the gun too many times, and we all love cleaning out spray guns, don't we? So that's about it. So maybe the next bit will be on the banjo. I had completely forgotten about the banjo. And I've got to do other things like the pedal box, and I might have to lay everything out on the ground and just so I know I've got everything ready to go together, like springs, suspension, bolts, all that sort of stuff. So that'd actually be fun. I quite like doing that stuff. I do love assembling. Anyway, cheerio. I'm going to flip them over and finish them off. Hey, I don't mean anything by that.